And that is what we see in the gospel today. It is also in the case of a teacher and a student, no? If you go to school, each student is unique. But also what is important is the relationship between teacher and the student. The relationship also is unique. Each student has a different character, nature, and the teacher also deals with these students in a different way. And today we see Jesus, the great teacher or the great master painter, who looks at his two students, two disciples, Peter and John. We saw yesterday Jesus having a one-to-one conversation with Peter, and we know that Jesus asked Peter this question, no, Peter, do you love me? And today we see Peter is more curious about the other, that is John, although the name is not mentioned here, but John always writes the disciple whom Jesus loved. These two disciples, Peter and John, if you see, Peter is a little more outgoing. He is always there. He is always, if you see in the scriptures, he'll speak to Jesus, or he'll stand up for his other disciples. He's like a kind of a leader. And that is what Jesus saw also, no? Jesus saw that he will lead the church. And we know he is the first leader or the first pope, we believe. And on the other hand, we have John, who is silent most of the time, but there are times he speaks, silent, but he has written this beautiful gospel. And Jesus has plans for both of them.